Answer this MCQ for me. A 45-year-old female with a 3 months menorrhagia, okay? USG is showing just a small 2 centimeter submucosal fibroid. What are the treatment options? She has a submucosal small 2 centimeter fibroid, but she's a perimenopausal age group woman who is symptomatic. She's having menstrual symptoms. So she needs treatment, right? Will you give her OCPs for 3 months so that her menorrhagia will decrease? Will you give her progesterone for 3 months so that her menorrhagia will decrease? Will you do her endometrial sampling because she's old? Or you will do a hysterectomy? What is the best option? Well, see, OCPs and progesterone can be given like a temporary treatment till you plan a surgery for her. Because she's 45, she must have completed her family. She will not like to preserve her uterus. There's no point doing a myomectomy, and that is also not in the option. They have not given you an option for myomectomy. So the best option here would be hysterectomy. You don't need to do an endometrial sampling because you're doing a surgery. You need to do an endometrial sampling if you're trying to preserve the uterus. Say, for example, you're trying to do a myomectomy. In that case, you have to do a sampling to check that there is no cancer and it is okay to leave the uterus behind. So the answer here would be hysterectomy. Okay?